Alright, this is the classic interview question, best time to buy and sell stock. You've got an array of prices, you need to buy low and sell high, but here's the catch, you have to buy before you sell. No time travel allowed. The naive approach would check every pair of days, giving you O of n squared. But here's the key insight, what if we just keep track of the cheapest price we've seen so far, and at each step ask, what's my profit if I sell today? We start by setting up two variables that do all the heavy lifting. Min price starts at infinity. Why infinity? Because any price we encounter will be less than infinity, so the first price automatically becomes our minimum. Max profit starts at 0 because hey, worst case we just don't trade at all and walk away with nothing. Now we loop through every single price in the array, one day at a time. Think of it like you're living through each day in real time. You can't see the future, you can only remember the past. Each day, we ask ourselves two simple questions. That's it. Super simple, right? Here's question number 1. Is today's price cheaper than anything we've seen before? If yes, awesome, we update our min price. This is like walking past shops and going, oh, that's the cheapest one yet, I'll remember that. We always want to buy at the absolute lowest point we've encountered so far. And here's question 2, if today's price isn't a new low, then maybe it's a great day to sell. We calculate the profit by subtracting the cheapest price we've ever seen from today's price. If that profit beats our current best, we've got a new champion. Notice the elif, we only check this when the price isn't a new minimum, which makes total sense because you'd never buy and sell on the same day for zero profit. After we've walked through every single day, we just return whatever max profit ended up being. If prices only went down the whole time, max profit stays at 0, meaning we wisely chose not to trade at all. No negative returns here, we're smarter than that. Here's why this is so elegant, at every point in the array, we know the best possible buy price from the past. So we're essentially asking at each moment, if I had bought at the cheapest point before now, what would my profit be today? We're checking every possible sell day against the best possible buy day before it. That covers all the cases we need. Time complexity? O of n, one single pass through the array, that's it. Space complexity? O of 1, just two variables, no matter how big the input gets. The takeaway here is beautiful, sometimes you don't need to compare everything against everything. Just remember the best you've seen so far and build on it. This pattern of tracking a running minimum or maximum shows up everywhere in coding interviews. Burn it into your brain.